then. Lots of secret wrapping going on while people aren't here. And what's in all of these? This one's a good one. Hello. We've got 4 days left, and I've got more UFOs than we've got days left. So I've put 2 on today, and last night when everybody was in bed, I did a tour of the Christmas lights with all the lights and the candles lit. So that's going on today. So that might make us feel a little bit more Christmassy and a bit more cosy. The lights did stop working at one point over the weekend because the parrot bit through them. But she's fine. And there was just enough wire left for Tim to fix them again and put insulating tape round. There's a little bit of footage of presents because we wrapped all the presents while the kids were out because they were out at work. And I think he shoved them so far under the tree that they came home and they didn't notice. We were waiting with anticipation. Well, I was waiting there with anticipation for them coming through the door and saying, "Ooh," because they had both noticed my presents, but they didn't notice their own. He shoved them that far under. I don't think they were that visible, really. So there was that. The lights, the gifts, the glove. Making these for hubby. Point Edwards mitts, I think they're called, a free pattern on Ravelry. So you roll them up, and then when you want to keep your fingers warm, you do that. But then if you need to be messing with something, you can roll them up. Couldn't find it. I've upgraded graded it up to a bigger size. Couldn't find it anywhere. And I'd got that far with number 2. So I was hunting high and low anyway. Eventually it turned up. So that should be finished now in the next 4 days. I think I'll manage that. So there was the lights, there was the gifts, there was the glove. This morning my daughter got up very early and went to work, and being awake I did hear her go out. And the next thing I heard was, I can't even do it like the dog does. Well, am I hearing things? Because they sleep in crates and she wouldn't let them out. Anyway, it was this one. She'd just come to see me. Are you going to say hello? Come on then. She's just lying down wagging her tail. I must have not shut a crate properly, but what they tend to do is if they don't get shut in properly, they lie there all night sleeping, and then you get an early wake then, don't you? Come on then. Oh, say hi. There. This is Roxy. She tries her best to be good, don't you, Roxy? You big lump. You can't open you. You're too big. There we go. Got you. So, yes. So, we went to the beach, didn't we, Roxy? We found a lobster pot, didn't we, on the beach? And I thought, oh, it's all right, it's empty. But Roxy found something to chew, didn't you, Roxy? So, hopefully, that won't go right through. That's the parrot. So, I was walking down to the beach, being followed by a man in a dressing gown with bare legs and a towel over his shoulder. I didn't think much of it really, but I should have. When I got down there was the Daily Dippers. Now, I've heard about these people, but I've never seen them before. I usually go the other way, I think. I think that's why, or I'm at the wrong time. And they had a little campfire going as well. But I don't think it was big enough to actually keep them warm. I thought there were surfers because we get surfers quite often. So it's quite busy too. So I took some footage from a distance. But I don't know where it's disappeared to. It doesn't seem to be on my phone, so you've got me instead. So that's what's happening on my show today. On my little show. Little vlog. It's got gifts and it's got Christmas decorations, and I do hope it makes you feel a bit Christmassy because we've got to try, haven't you? Bye. Well, this one is less of a UFO and more of a BSO. I'm making it up. I might be right, but it's a barely started object. And it's an Elton cardigan. And it probably would be quite warm anytime. But when I started it, wasn't really the time for something so fine. And in here I do have the information of what I'm using. I'm using Rowan Fine Art, which is this stripe, the solid 4-ply stripe, or is it lace? I think no, it's like a 4-ply. I'm not sure that the colours are quite coming up right on my screen. And this it's like pinks and yellows. That is the Wool Kitchen Malacca. 72% kid mohair and 28% silk. So those two together in stripes. That's my Elton, but that's all I've done. It will be one I'll come back to. So that's the back. We've got a bit of neck shaping or shoulder shaping. Forgot to mention Elton. The Elton cardigan is by it's your I can't say it. Locatelli, something like that, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think I've made any of her patterns, but the Elton is her design and it's very popular, so that's just in case you didn't know, but you probably do. Who goes there? What are you doing, Roxy? Are you chewing your bone? Hmm? You just want to go to bed, don't you? Hey? Isn't Christmassy yet? Just past that bit. Oh. So, from the gold and the warm white to the little knitted Christmas tree. Don't need any lights on, do you? Someone's gone to bed over there. Lovely shot of the Hoover. What do we have in here? Candles and chilies. I've got lights in the piano, but I couldn't fathom out the batteries. Might have to do that again. My little houses. These little houses. here to stay. They're not getting put away. Oh, they're hot already. They're cute. So I'm keeping them. Into the blue room. I've got some sheep and things like that. And a black sheep. And some more sheep. And another black sheep. And my lights go all the way around. Nearly. Got my candle lit. Do go all the way around. Wasn't that clever? And these are staying up as well because I really like these. Even the washing machine's joined in. It's on pause. And I can hear the boiler. Where's the doggies? There's one little doggy in here. Oh, there's one doggy. You're getting back up. There's little Bedlington. Oh, you into Santa? Is anybody in here? The naughty one. There she is. You're the naughty one. Do you know what this one did? This one nearly wrecked Christmas. Because we have to plug the tree lights in. There. At the bottom behind her. And what did you do, Poppy? What did you do? Poppy bit through the lights. And she's absolutely fine, as you can see. Very naughty, aren't you? Very naughty. Naughty. Like a nighttime visit, dear. What did you do, Poppy? You're going to bed then? Night night, Moxie. I'll get you a biscuit. Hello! This is Stylecraft Senses, and it is patterned by Anniken Allis, who designs a lot of lace shawls normally. But have we got the lace down the back as well? Yes. So you can't see it very well there. I am on Ravelry as the stitcher because I've been on for so many years. I got that one. Wonder if a few people might have tried to be the stitcher. I can't remember if it's 2 words or 1. So this is made with the yarn that's in the bee shawl that I showed you earlier. So, well, they would coordinate, wouldn't they? Looks paler in the ball, but it's not. It's the same stuff. Must just look a bit different when it's knitted up. I'm just going to look at my profile and my projects and see if I can just find it quickly. This isn't a UFO though, is it? It's an FO. It's completely done. Just found out something very interesting. This is called Ramona, and I haven't listed it on Ravelry. So it will be if I put it on. You see, I don't think I didn't finish it this year. I finished it last year or the year before. But it didn't count then So if I do put it on and say I finished it, it's one more on my my Ravelry challenge for the year. But I still won't have made 20 items. I'll still only be about 13, 14 by the end of the year. So, but I suppose if I didn't get it, and it's not cheating, is it? If I didn't put it on another year, it can be on this year. Because I'd had a look and I couldn't find it. So don't tell anybody if I cheat.